In today's video, we'll cover 4 important carb tips. 1. What are your net carbs? 2. How to determine net carbs. 3. What should your target net carbs be? And 4. Some examples of net carb calculations. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the little bell for notification updates. What are net carbs? Net carbs is the total carbs minus the fiber content, which equals net carbs. In the USA and Canada, one needs to deduct fiber to get net carbs. I believe Europe has already deducted it. So when looking at food labels or nutritional information, make sure you use this formula. Why do you need to know this? To switch your body to ketosis, burn fat instead of sugar, you need to lower your daily carbs intake. But what is the daily carbs target? How many carbs do you need to get into ketosis? Up to 20 grams net carbs should get most people into ketosis. Some people may do okay up to 50 grams per day. Normal diets like you and I had before going into ketosis may have looked like 300 to 400 grams of net carbs per day. It is better to start on the lower end, in other words, 20 grams net carbs, as this will increase your chances of achieving ketosis quicker. Let's look at some examples of calculating this first, and then we will take some examples of what 20 to 50 grams of net carbs really look like, just in case you are scared because you think that you will starve. Let's look at only 1 cup of the following unprocessed food types. 1 cup of celery has 3 grams of carbs. Subtract the fiber of 1.6 grams leaves you with 1.4 grams of net carbs. 1 cup of tomatoes has 7 grams of carbs. You subtract the fiber of 2.2 grams, that leaves you with 4.8 grams of net carbs. 1 cup of broccoli has 6 grams of carbs. Subtract the 2.4 grams of fiber, that leaves you with 3.6 grams of net carbs. 1 cup of mushrooms has 3 grams of carbs. Subtract the 1 gram of fiber, leaves you with 2 grams of net carbs. 1 cup of leafy greens has 1.1 grams of carbs. Subtract the 0.7 grams of fiber, that leaves you with 0.4 net carbs. Now for the processed stuff. 1 hamburger bun only has 29 grams of carbs. You subtract the less than 1 gram, you're still left with around the 29 grams of net carbs. 28 grams of Lay's classic chips has 15 grams of carbs. Subtract the 1 gram of fiber, you have 14 grams of net carbs. 1 slice of white bread has 13 grams of carbs. Subtract the 0.6 grams of fiber, you're left with 12.4 grams of net carbs. 1 Snickers bar, a 54 gram bar, has 33 grams of carbs. Subtract the 1 gram of fiber, you're left with 32 grams of net carbs. Conclusion. 1. Exchange your processed carbs and eat more real, unprocessed food and still easily achieve your target of 20 grams of net carbs per day. 2. Your body will thank you for it and it'll get real nutrition. Number 3. Your energy will improve. 4. Carb mood swings will disappear. Please do not forget to subscribe.